Healthcare is very, very complicated. If you've ever been a patient, which we all are, and I have been myself, it's very difficult to navigate the system. It's easy enough when you go in for your once-a-year checkup, you see your doctor, you go home. But if you have a chronic illness and you have to see multiple doctors, get various tests, go to hospitals, it's very easy to get lost in that system and really not get the best care. And so what we do in our organization is we help facilitate that for the patient. We sort of serve as the concierge to help the patient work their way through the system and make sure that they're getting the care they need, the right care at the right time in the right place. The words coordinated care are very challenging to understand. What we're talking about here is, again, the team approach to taking care of a patient's illness. If you were to go to your primary care doctor and then to your cardiologist and then to your pulmonologist, 3 different specialists, often they don't have the information on what the other doctor did, said, what medicines the doctor put you on. Our responsibility is to take care of a patient in a coordinated fashion to make sure that all of the work done by all the doctors is done collaboratively so that the patient is at the center here. It's not just the one doctor and one patient, but it's the whole care of the patient, making sure there's information in each of those doctors' hands about what the last doctor did. The team approach that we're talking about, coordinated care, is very good for patients because at the end of the day, the patient's at the center of this team. The patient's illness, whatever it may be, is one that the doctors are focusing on in a collaborative fashion. Everyone's thinking, what can we together do best for that patient? And for doctors, interestingly, they like that. They like to work together. Doctors who were trained to be individuals. They took individual training in medical school, and they really weren't taught to work in a team. When they work in a team and work collaboratively, it's actually to their benefit because no individual doctor knows the answer to everything in healthcare. It's actually much more effective to be able to bounce things off your colleagues, discuss a case. Those are the types of things that we do that, at the end of the day, provide better care for the patient and a richer environment for the physician. So physicians like this, patients get much better care, and at the end of the day, we all win.